In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fill a table with color in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page that contains the table you want to customize. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Click inside the table and select the cell, row, column or group of cells that you want to color. Once the cells are selected, look for the table formatting toolbar that appears near the table. In the toolbar, find the cell color or background color option and click it. A color palette will appear with several available color choices. Select the color you want to apply, and the selected cells will immediately update with the new background color. You can repeat this process for other rows, columns, or cells to create a more organized and visually appealing table. Using different colors can help highlight important information, separate sections, or improve readability. After applying your colors, review the table to make sure the formatting looks clean and consistent. Make any final adjustments if needed. Then click Publish to save your changes. Your table will now display the selected colors, making the information easier to scan and understand. And that's it. You've successfully filled a table with color in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.